In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Kraken to another wallet. So let's get started from our Kraken home tab, and in here we're going to click on the big purple button down below, and in here we're going to click on withdraw. From here we're going to select Solana, and in here we need to add a new address. So if you already have an address and you want to create a new one, just click on the arrow down, and then you need to say get started, and this is basically the same as clicking on add new address. In this section you need to enter the withdrawal address from your other wallet. So for this step, go to your other wallet. In this tutorial, I'm using my Coinbase wallet, but you can use any wallet. It works almost the same on every wallet. What you're basically going to look for is something that's saying transfer and then receive crypto or deposit crypto or something like that. And after you're going to click on Solana, and in here you see your wallet address and you see a QR code. You can either scan this QR code or the most easy thing is just copy it to your clipboard. And now we're going back to our Kraken app. So right now we can enter the withdrawal address by just pasting it in. After that we can click on continue. And now we can give the account a nickname. So I'm just going to call it Coinbase and then Sol. So let's click on continue. Click on confirm. So Kraken always sends you a confirmation email for your withdrawal address after you create a new one. So check your email, your junk or your spam folder to get this mail and then click on confirm address. Our withdrawal address is approved and now we can return to Kraken. So right now you can enter the amount that you want to transfer and you need to be sure that you have your right wallet selected. So this is the one I just created. And after you have entered your amount above the 0.006 threshold, then you can click on review and after that you can confirm to make your transfer final. And that is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.